What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, in today's video, we need to cover some grounds of some pretty peculiar movements over the past couple of days, specifically yesterday, that we've seen within most of the major cryptocurrencies. As you guys remember in yesterday's video, I'll pull it up super quick. You can see we were basically talking about the fact that the possible breakdown, correction to the downside has actually started here. And I said XRP Ripple holders, it's starting right now. Listen early, this drop is pretty crazy, and you can see that's what's actually starting to take place within a lot of these major cryptocurrencies. Now, we're starting to see some freak events happen here. I'm actually beyond shocked at the movements that we've been seeing here. Fortunately, we didn't buy into this until we saw closure. I have made this statement multiple times in yesterday's video, and pretty much every single day in previous videos here on the channel, that in order for us to buy in on the daily charts, we need to wait for confirmation closure of the daily candle before we buy in long. I stated this numerous times in yesterday's video. I'm stating this numerous times in today's video. It is the same thing. As a conservative trader, I need, and you guys should ideally, wait for the average conservative trader needs to wait for the candle to close on the daily charts before we make any assumptions here, because as you can see, wild stuff is happening within Bitcoin right here. You can see as low as we went yesterday, retesting $28,400. We then closed at $29,960. Total opposite of what we've seen happen here. You can see we actually managed to swing over 4% within a day, which is incredible. But it's not just Bitcoin. Ethereum is seeing some very wild and erratic movements here within Ethereum, as well as XRP here seeing some wild and erratic movements as well. So if you had jumped the gun, bought in as an aggressive trader, you would be out, unfortunately, out money here, which is why I like to wait for conservative buy-ins, closures of the daily candles, which happen at the end of the day. You can see this candle closes in 11 hours, which would be closer to, I think 8 o'clock or something like that. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's 8 o'clock or maybe 7 o'clock. I don't know. But sometime towards the evening, we start to see these daily candles closure. So the fact that we're seeing major reversals now means we need to talk about the possibilities of seeing more swings to the upside soon. But before we dive into the technical analysis, as you guys know, what I do know with certainty is we are still doing our XRP crypto coin display giveaway. As you can see in the back of all my videos here, this ticker display, I'm giving one of these away to you guys completely free. A $130 ticker display. You can see how freaking cool this thing looks if it loads here. This is what it looks like. I'm giving one of these bad boys away completely free, but all you have to do is comment down in the comment section below that you've subscribed and XRP giveaway. Comment those two things and you'll be entered into the giveaway, which we'll be doing the drawing on Sunday morning. Now you have multiple chances, 7 entries. You have 7 entries here where you can comment on each video from Monday to Saturday, or maybe 6 entries here. You have each video you can comment on Monday's video and Tuesday's video and even today's video here. I'm going to pick one at random, ideally the one with the most views, and we're going to pick the top, one of the comments from that video. So definitely make sure to comment on each video that we post to increase your odds of winning one of these bad boys. Once we do the drawing Sunday morning, I will ship this out to you free of charge, completely free. Feel free to send me a photo of it in your room. I'd love to see it and share it with you guys. So make sure to drop that comment ASAP down in the description right now. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, lots of things we have to talk about in today's video. Crazy reversal patterns we've been seeing across the board on these cryptos. I am mind blown if you ask me. Absolutely mind blown. As you guys can clearly see here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, USDC, tons of these major cryptocurrencies are seeing major reversals, price swings within the markets here. Literally, I would consider it even a bear trap right now, where most people probably thought, including me, that we were going to see a drop to the downside, a closure below supports, and continue to go to the downside here. And that's not actually what happened. We saw an immediate reversal right back up. As soon as we fell to the downside, a couple hours, maybe midday, we started to reverse back to the upside here, which is incredible if you ask me. Now, there's a lot of stuff we have to cover as we were looking to get into XRP, Bitcoin, even Ethereum. Lots of these cryptos we were ready to trade with, but we said it in yesterday's video, and hopefully I don't believe you guys jumped the gun. I'm pretty sure. I read the comments. Not many of you guys jumped the gun, which is good news. But as a conservative trader, what we've been waiting for is clear as day. As we say all the time here, this is not the first time we've wicked below here. It is not by any means the first time. It's happened actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, almost 7 times in the past couple of weeks here, where the candle has wicked below and closed the daily above here. As you know, as a conservative trader, we need to wait for a conservative daily closure of the candle before we buy in to either short or long XRP or the other cryptocurrencies. Had we have closed at 67 cents, we would buy in for a short. That's not what happened. We're doing the same thing today. So we have to see what exactly happens today. If we close below here, we could buy in again for a short. If not, we could buy in for a long. It really depends on the closure of these candles. And I want to look at Ethereum and Bitcoin in a minute with you because those show huge signs of just crazy volatility and movement, which is definitely nice to see that we've entered this market back again here. But with that being said, we do all these trades on Bidfight, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Bidfight lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Literally everything you could possibly think of is offered on Bidfight, which is really cool and really unique here. You can do Bitcoin trading, Ethereum trading, XRP trading, which not many exchanges offer. You can long crypto, you can short crypto, so on and so forth. The fact that XRP is offered here makes it so unique. Another cool feature is they offer a demo account, which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free. Completely free, which is really freaking cool. That means you can not only sign up in the description completely free, but then test your skills completely risk-free right here. So make sure to jump on the Bidfight bandwagon down in the comments below or in the description below. Make sure to check it out. I mean, I highly recommend at least signing up and having them in your toolbox, even if you don't decide to trade. But I highly recommend doing so and at least using the demo account here because of how cool it is. The best part is if you do decide to use real crypto, make sure to check out the fact that you can earn up to $2,888 completely free by completing some of these new user and advanced tasks right here. Literally click welcome rewards after you sign up. Now, with that being said, moving on to the other major cryptos that are seeing major movements here. I'm actually super pumped and excited that Ethereum has reversed back up. Yesterday was a weird one. It was for sure a weird one. We can actually get a better time zone as to what exactly happened here. So I'd say this was, what time was this? This was still the 31st. No, we got to go to the 1st. So the 1st happened so super early in the morning, like 4 a.m. up to 10 a.m. We started to have some pretty low markets. But by, I don't know, this is 4 o'clock here, 6 o'clock, we started to reverse back up, which is pretty incredible too. And then by the end of the day, we actually closed much higher than where we started from, which is also really nice. Regardless of how we panned out here, the fact is we did not close below here, which again, now shows more signs of potential reversal, which could happen to the upside here. You can see we have a very strong and solid moving average. We have a very strong and solid price floor, and we have a very strong and solid uptrend here. As I said in yesterday's video, even if we broke and closed here, I don't really think we were going to head lower. I actually thought we were going to just retest this and head up. So I wasn't expecting us to dip any lower than that. So the fact that we saw this major reversal back to the upside here and are still trending above support is a huge sign, a good sign. As I've said before, and I'll say it again here, if we break through this is more of a moderate trade. And if we break through this is more of a conservative trade. So that's pretty much what we're paying attention to here. Anything in between this is aggressive. So we're waiting for this to break through. That's when we can get in on a moderate trade, more risk than conservative, but that's the opportunity that we're looking for. A closure nonetheless on the daily candle, because you can see what we've done in the past here, which could very well happen again. So we're waiting for this closure before we see any sort of buy-in opportunity. Now, obviously with us closing this or with us flipping this low here, this is a huge sign as to why I say wait for that conservative closure before you jump the gun here because of the bear traps that can happen here. The fact that we're back above here is, again, a huge opportunity and a huge win for Ethereum here. Good chance we could start to see our reversal. Now, as for Bitcoin, this is good. I'm actually shocked too. We swung all the way up from 29.7 down to 28.4 or 28.500, which is very peculiar, but we actually broke out of the descending flag here. Or the descending fractal, which is good news. Now, I've said it before, just like Ethereum here, this is a moderate trade. This is a conservative trade. So if we can close the daily above this, that's an opportunity to buy in and long to the upside here. So I'm pretty excited to see where exactly these cryptos move to, but I'm actually starting to look at more of a bullish reversal possibly than a bearish one, but we'll keep our eyes peeled. No buying opportunities yet. There was a small short opportunity we did on Patreon for a couple of the cryptos here. But for the most part, what we're waiting on now is kind of just what exactly is happening. And same thing goes with the S&P, which is just, I think, is long overdue for a dip. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.